pissed off because Samsung refrigerator suck ass.
Fuck your Samsung.
We have
Fuck you.
we have Samsung for 1 year. One.
It break.
It break twice.
It break a lot.
4 times.
4 times. 2
Fuck
plus 2
you.
is 4.
Fuck you, Samsung.
I'm
This-
making you good at math.
This second motherfucking Samsung, it suck ass.
Fuck you.
We're Asian.
Fuck
We have
you.
mustache.
Fuck you.
Asian mustache.
Look at the mustache.
Look at the
Fuck
fucking
you.
mustache.
Rah, rah, rah.
Ah.
Fuck you, Frig.
Asian
Fuck
power.
We break so much shit.
Yeah.
We lose all this shit in fucking
you.
Samsung fridge cause it break. Look at that. You so suck, Samsung.
Your eyebrow come off.
All my duck sauce went bad. All my duck sauce gone now. All my cats I gonna make, they gone. No more cats. I pissed.
I love
Fuck
eating.
yeah.
I love eating cats. Cats are
You know-
good.
I don't
Fuck you,
all my mouth.
Samsung.
With soy
Fuck
sauce.
you.
Soy
Fuck
sauce.
you. What? Why are we yelling? Fuck you, Samsung.
I was get some Chinese order.
Why Samsung
Get
suck
the
so
ball
bad?
and some Chinese food. China food. It's
Oh my-
Fuck you, Samsung.
sauce.
All my Chinese food go bad. No more
Sauce.
Chinese food.
Sauce.
But we don't call it Chinese food because we Chinese.
It's called Chinese food.
We call
It's
it
called
food.
food.
Call them right now. Get the number and call them.
Hello?
No, seriously, call them.
Hello?
That's removed.
Hello?
Get-
Nice mustache. Fuck you,
Fuck
Samsung!
yeah, Chinese Samsung!
Ah.
Ah.